Good afternoon. My name is Bert, and today the theme of my speech is the greenhouse effect. Okay, before the speech, I want to ask you a question. Okay. Have you ever seen a movie, The Day After Tomorrow?
Yes.
Okay. And do you believe that the play in the movie will happen in some days?
Yes.
But maybe someone may say, that's not my business. But we must face the crisis coming. And the crisis is coming. Okay, today I've divided my speech into the three parts. The first is definition, and the second is the influences, and the last is the resolution. Okay, now start with the definition. All we know what the greenhouse is. The greenhouse is the building and which is used to develop the plant. And the greenhouse effect is similar to. Okay. Look at the PPT. The greenhouse effect is the process by which the earth becomes warmer. Okay. The sun provides us the energy, the sunlight. Then it will cross the atmosphere, then touch the earth's surface, then reflect. Due to the effect of the air pollution we produce, the atmosphere becomes massive, becomes thicker. So the sunlight and touch the atmosphere second time. It cannot easy to cross this and then flat again. At that time, the earth is becoming warmer. Okay. Eventually, the temperature of the earth is becoming warmer and warmer. And now let's look at the figures. This is a global average surface temperature. Okay, it's two decades from the 1980 to the 2000. It's increasing year by year. So the degree of the temperature increased, the less time of the winter we get. Now let's talk about the influences. Okay, what impact do we get from the greenhouse effect? Directly the temperature. Okay, for example, this is the Argentina in the South America. Okay, at that time it's the greatest and largest glacier. But now it seems to be a river. But where's the ice? The ice is not disappear. Ice becomes water. So the island and the low-lying land must be in trouble. And the second, the climate change. Okay, for example, in these years, okay, winter seems to be less work. Okay, at noon, the sun is still burning and heating. Okay, maybe in the future we will be extremely hot in the summer and get warmer in the winter. It sounds good, warmer in the winter. But if not the winter, how the spring comes? Okay, so what can we do for the greenhouse effect? There are 3 points of reducing the greenhouse effect. The first, change to the transportation. For example, you can take the bus, the train, or ride a bicycle, or just walk. Okay, the second, change to use the air conditioner. Okay, and Dr. Ham in the British College said, if you decrease to use the air conditioner 1 hour 1 day, it will reduce the 6 kilogram 1 year of 6 kilogram of air pollution 1 year. Okay, so also you can use the fan. Use the fan instead of the air conditioner. The last is much helpful and useful. That's the plant the trees. Because the trees can release the oxygen. The oxygen, it can balance the gas into the suitable air. Okay, and to sum up, even now we cannot feel how serious we are from the greenhouse effect. But we must face the global issue, the greenhouse effect. Imagine that if we do nothing for the greenhouse effect, how can our descendants do? Where is their future? So the environmental protection is obviously crucial. And then keep in mind and write it down. We have the only one Earth. And thank you for listening.
Yeah.